Hello, good day. Today I will um, demonstrate on how this web application works. First, this is the what do you call this? The interface, and then this data, users, and then this is the users that has the edit and delete button, and the upper part is the form, the name, the avatar, and the what we call this, the details. And now I will and now I will add a new user, which is I want to write my name, and then the avatar link, that's I want to use. And that's it, and then click seed, and then the data is added, and then if we want to edit, we try to click this edit button, and then the update and clear button will pop up, and then this will change this name for editing. Would like to name of words. Okay, and then click update, then the user is automatically updated. And if we want to delete this user, just click the button, and then the user will deleted. So that's all, and thank you for watching. See you, and I hope you have enjoyed my demonstration.